Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Fellas up. We're not just talking, we're actually living it. I just wanted to show you that at the beginning to let you know what I'm going through a little bit, just a hint of what I got to do in order to film this. I got about 25 hours or something. And then that's all. I'm done with this dry fast. I rinse my mouth out so I can get a chance to talk. Because there's no food, no water. Man's mouth could get so dry. So if y'all see me doing periodically through the videos, that's why. You know, it's a lot. And if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject coaching and pertaining towards that. Or you just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Post on the regular, so go ahead and check us out if you're not following us there. I don't know why not. Go do that. You guys want to start a business course? You guys know we finished that book, the 30 days from the business course. You can't buy the book separately. You have to get the whole package. It's a course, the best business course I've ever taken. It's in the description box. If you guys want to get our one-of-a-kind artwork, we got that at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys seen us grab this, a lot of this stuff on this YouTube page. And we got our amazing American apparel, strap backs, t-shirts, hoodies, socks, a lot of great things there. Make sure you guys check us out. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. Now on the video. Y'all see by the title what's going on. Started off with finger coils. Y'all saw that. Then over the finger coils. Went for the 2 strand twist. That's still for the finger coil. So now, man's is going from the finger, from the 2 strand twist to the box braids. Done that. I got the box braids now. I've been getting them wet, stuff like that. I just got my hair wet today actually, or beforehand and whatnot. So I'm just like, I'm gonna end up taking them out, taking out the box braid. Got a little bit of spritz, more water. Oh, shiz. Thought I did. I had to go get that because the nozzle came off. Got it, about to clean this thing off. Holy crap, that's tight. Oh, so freaking tight. There you go. I'm about to get this started. Just going through and unraveling the pattern. It's already been made. If some of it is loose, I can care less. Just because, like I said, it was already wet. Here go the first one. Man goes 9 days without eating food and water, still putting out cool content. If I don't deserve a thumbs up, I don't know what the frick I deserve, dog. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this, man. Nobody gonna give it to you real like this. Video size limit about to reach. And y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit all the bell notifications, consultations, DM us on Instagram. Give it the links in the description box. Video limit, gotta clear some.